Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Mohit Kukreja and I'm a consultant orthopedic surgeon at Wockhardt Hospitals Mumbai Central. My specialty of interest is treating sports injuries by arthroscopic surgery. So we're here to talk about what exactly arthroscopic surgery is and how is it different from the traditional or conventional orthopedic surgery. Arthroscopic surgery mainly involves putting in a pencil-sized instrument called as the arthroscope through a keyhole or buttonhole incision, and that helps us look at the joint and look at the various pathologies in the joint on a television in front of us. Of course, previously it was more commonly used for just the knee joint, but currently it is used for also the shoulder joint and the ankle, elbow, and also the hip joint. Of course, how is it different from the traditional surgery? So arthroscopic surgery is minimally invasive surgeries, so smaller sized incisions, which are keyhole, so the recovery of the patient is faster, the hospital stay is smaller, less chances of infection, less pain post-operatively, thus faster recovery to normal life and to routine procedures. So the next time anyone in your family, you or anyone is eligible for an orthopedic surgery, of course, please do not hesitate to question your treating orthopedic surgeon if that kind of surgery can be done arthroscopically. Thank you for your kind attention.